In an office, communication is not only about asking for things, but also about offering help to others. A simple offer such as, "Can I help you with that?" or "Would you like me to check this?" can make daily work easier and reduce pressure in busy situations. Offering help shows that you are aware of others' workload and willing to share responsibility. These small actions can help colleagues feel supported and make cooperation smoother. In English, polite language is often used to make offers sound friendly and respectful. Expressions like, "Shall I call IT support?" or "Can I show you how to do it?" are useful when a coworker has a lot to do, when someone seems unsure about a task, or when a client may welcome assistance. These phrases allow you to show initiative without sounding pushy or taking control of the situation unnecessarily. Offering help at the right moment can strengthen working relationships and create a more collaborative environment. When people feel comfortable offering and receiving assistance, tasks are completed more efficiently, and workplace communication becomes more supportive and productive overall.